What's up fam? First off I want to apologize for the robot voice. The audio was horrible so we got to listen to Discook. Alright, today I'll be installing a custom decal kit from Sticker FX Graphics on my Talaria Sting R. First things first, I'm going to remove the battery, then wipe the whole bike down with 91% alcohol. It's time to start putting on the decals. There's a lot of pieces, so just take your time and you'll breeze through it. Lay the pieces on lightly so you can adjust. Don't be afraid to pull the decal off if it's not straight. Be sure to firmly press the decals in when you got it in place. You'll need to cut an opening to the battery charging outlet with a razor or X-Acto blade. The number plate is aftermarket, so I had Terry from Sticker FX Graphics send me a 12 by 12 square, so I can cut it out myself. The fork guard decal cutouts were way too large, so I ended up tracing out the stock decal fork guards for reference. I also did the same for the rear fender. You can use a credit card or a felt squeegee to really get the decals to sit. Lastly, I used a heat gun and really go over the whole bike. Lightly hit the decals with some heat. You don't need much, just enough so it's warm to the touch. Make sure to really press in on any creases and in corners to really lock them in.